Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 44 divided 4 bracket 4 plus 7. This easy math problem has everyone confused. Why? Because they solve like this: 4 plus 7 as 11 and 11 times 4 as 44 and 44 divided by 44 as 1, which is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. When in an expression like this, if you have given multiple operation like division, then bracket, in bracket, there is an addition, then you have to follow PODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called. As per this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first solve the parenthesis. 44 divided by 4. Here 4 plus 7 is 11 and there is a multiplication sign. Now we know that multiplication and division both have same priority, but what people forget that we have to always solve from left to right. So from left, its first is 44 divided by 4, then times 11. So it becomes 11 times 11, that is 121. So what is the correct answer? 121, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next